How to report missing luggage on Airfrance. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can report missing luggage on Airfrance. So kindly watch and enjoy to the end. The first step is to log in into your Airfrance account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you would see some tabs under the Airfrance logo, which include book a flight, check in, my booking information, and then you can go ahead and continue your check-in process. So for you to report a missing luggage on Airfrance is majorly by contacting the Airfrance call center. And how do you do this? By moving to the top right corner of the screen, sorry, top left corner of the screen, clicking on the three dashes and scrolling down to contact us. Once you scroll down to contact us, you'll be taken to the contact us page where you can see different options. All right, you can see different options like planning my trip and booking a flight, check in and manage my booking, refunds, complaints, rejection, then baggage. All right, so just click on baggage since you are trying to report missing luggage or baggage, whichever one. So you can just select my baggage is missing or delayed, and then you can now see a write-up asking you, apologizing, and then the next step is to declare the missing baggage, or you can decide to check the status of the missing baggage. Whichever one, you can just try it out. Or then you can decide to contact the Air France baggage service at your arrival airport. From there, they'll take it up, all right? But if you don't want to go through those processes, you can decide to contact the you can decide to contact the customer service by calling them. And then to call them, you have to select the country or the region where you have to collect your baggage. After selecting the country or the region, then the country or the region will determine the number that will be given to you. And from there, you make your calls, report your missing baggage, and then once it has been recorded or the report has been taken, they'll work in on it, and then within few days, you would get your luggage or your baggage back. Right? So that's how it works. That's how you can report missing luggage on Air France. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.